Hello guys, what is up? My name is Matt, aka Bro Flamer here. I'm just going to be showing you guys a video on how to take apart your Xbox 360 controller. Now, I have the screws, all the screws out. There is, how many again? 7? Yeah, there's 7 screws, and the tool that I use for this is a 78 times 50 millimeter screw. Phillips had it, maybe. Guess that will get in focus. But it's like kind of curved like that, and these fit well with the screws because the screws are shaped like this. They're not all shaped like this because mine are kind of chipped. So basically, I'm not gonna put them all in. But what you do is you so you would go to your Xbox controller and you put it in, and then you just twist it left, and then you'd wait for the response, and then pull them out, put them over here, put them over there, and then you're good. Now I do have some new what's it called? New joysticks I will be putting on this controller. So we're gonna set those aside. Put them right there. So basically, now what you want to do is you want to go back first. So this is facing up. You're gonna take another like flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna want to go to the sides. Oops, sorry. You're gonna want to go to the sides and like start picking them off. You're gonna want to like get your Phillips head in there pretty good. And right there, you see how it's loosening up a bit. Here, I'll do it with this side. Okay, then it will loosen up, and basically, oops, now get a better view. Give a better view for you guys. Basically, what you want to do is you take your flathead and you put it over here, and you'd start wiggling it around, move it to the side a couple of times. But this is the main part. Right here is the main part you're gonna get off for the back and the front. So basically, what you want to do is you want to go on the top, spread it out like that, and then it should come off. Wait. Try doing this side, this part too. Bottom part right there. Okay. So now you just want to pull it up slowly. If you don't feel it coming out just yet, or if you do, then just slowly take it off like that. There's the 2 thumbsticks. Oh, there's the 2 thumbsticks. Here's all the buttons, where your buttons go and everything. Move that to the side. So this part's really easy. All you do, boop, easy. And then to put them back on, I'll show you. They're very easy. All you have to do is just pull. But they might be harder if you have a new controller and you want to replace the joysticks. But you just pull them like that. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how to put them back on. So there's going to be a little opening right here. You guys can see that right there, and there's going to be a little opening right there. So you match up the opening. Mine's vertical, and you're going to want to put it on. It should be on that side. And you're going to put it on. Oops. Like this. And it won't make too much noise at first. Make sure it's on right. Okay, you got the first one on. make sure the second one's vertical like that. You just want to click it on. Bam, you're done. But now what you want to do is you want to take the front. Make sure these are in the right place. Bam, bam. You're gonna put it like this if you would like to, or if you would not like to. Oh, sorry, my joystick is in there. Take that out. Lol. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to push down this backing. And the new joystick should be like completely good. They won't fall or anything like your old ones did, if yours are as old as mine. And basically, what you want to do is you want to shuffle it around until you get a good, like right here. Right here is pretty jacked. So basically, what you want to do is go up to here. Oops. Here, I'll put you guys back over here for a second. Is you there. You'll shuffle it around quite a bit until you like shuffle it around, like move the backing a little bit until you find a good spot to what's it called? To snap it in. See, all my buttons work. The old ones that I have, like you can see on the sides, they're like really crappy. So if you want to throw these out, throw them out. If you want to keep them, keep them. I'm just gonna keep them for having fun. And I will put a time lapse of me putting in these screws for the backing at the first part of this video. So, yeah, I'll do that. So guys, if you liked the video, please leave a like, rate, comment, share, fave, and subscribe to become a subscriber today. And if you like more videos like this, please leave a like on the video and say I want more videos like this. It's really helpful. I had to go through all of that just to get the one I wanted. And make sure that the screw, oh, that's the wrong one. Make sure the screw is like this, okay? You don't want to screw, well, this one's fine. As a flathead that's like this is fine, but if you're going into the back, you'll need a screw like this. So these are the only two you'll need, basically. So guys, if you like the video, please leave a like, rate, share, fave, comment, and subscribe to become a subscriber today and join the subscriber army. If you would like more videos like this, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.